Today I will share with you another real story of Salawat Nariya. This story is at least 30 years old. An acquaintance of my father introduced his family friend to my father for some guidance in her studies. She was studying in grade 10 then and wanted to get admission to one of the top colleges in Lahore, Pakistan, named Kinnaird College. She was a hard-working student but very weak in maths. When my father learned about her wish to get admission to the top college, he advised her to recite Salawat Nariya. Listening to my father's advice, she started reciting Salawat Nariya to get admission to her favorite college. She took the grade 10 exams, and when her results came out, she passed all the subjects, but scored very low, which could not secure her confirmation of admission to her favorite college. Anyways, she kept reciting Salawat Nariya and remained hopeful. Her eyesight was very weak, so she went to see an ophthalmologist. The ophthalmologist told her that she had a special condition of her eyes that could qualify her to secure admission to her favorite college on a special quota system. She got really happy and could not believe her ears when the ophthalmologist told her. The ophthalmologist issued her a certificate stating her rare eye condition, which made her qualified among special people. After getting the certificate, she went to the college and found that it was the last day to submit an admission application. She applied with the certificate issued by the ophthalmologist. After a few days, she received news that she had secured admission to her favorite college. It was no less than a miracle for her and her family. Even after being admitted to her favorite college, she kept reciting Salawat Nariya more determinedly. That same year, Lady Diana also visited Pakistan, and in Lahore, she visited that girl's college. That girl presented flowers to Lady Diana and shook hands with her. That girl was excited after her interaction with Lady Diana. Later, she told us that her friends shook hands with her, saying that it was like shaking hands with Lady Diana, because not everybody could get the opportunity the way she did. No doubt, Salawat Nariya, also known as Salawat ul-Tafrijiya, is an extremely powerful prayer to Allah. When we recite it, we request Allah to send blessings and peace upon Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him and his progeny, and we request Allah to solve our problems in the best possible way.